I'm going to show you guys how to remove this door panel. It's a 2016 Subaru Outback. It's pretty simple. You don't need much for tools. I've got a small flathead screwdriver. I also have a Phillips head. It's a number 2. A lot of people use panel tools, but I prefer just to use my hands. And I'll show you how this is done. First step is there's little trap doors where the screws are located, and they hide the screws, so you got a trap door there. If you can see, there's a little slot in the back, so you insert your flathead screwdriver and then pop it open, and that exposes the Phillips head screw. Now there's another one down here, same thing, put the screwdriver in the slot, and this one's a little more difficult. Just be careful, take your time, don't want to break it. Much more difficult. There we go. So that pops open, exposing the other Phillips head screw. So once you've got those open, go ahead and take your number 2 Phillips screwdriver and take the screws loose. Now on the top of this door panel, the door panel itself actually slides into a metal rail that's built into the door. So once you get the bottom loose, then you lift the door panel up and it'll pop out of that slot. Sometimes it actually helps to have the window roll down when you do that, because it'll give you some more clearance. But on this car, we can go ahead and leave it up, I think. So instead of using the panel tool, I like to use my hands, and I'll pull out and then work my way around until I can get the clips to kind of start popping loose. If you see now, I've got kind of a gap. I just gently pull until they start popping out. You just go slowly and get as close to the clip as you can with your hand so you don't break the door panel. Now this is what this tool is actually for. You slide it in there where the clip's at, between the clip and the door panel, you pop it out. But I've found that using my hands works just a little bit better most of the time. As long as you're careful, you have to be careful. Just be patient, slowly work them all the way loose. There you go. So we know we've got those all loose, and so we gently lift the panel up like that. And you're able to pull the panel out a little ways now. Now it's still going to be held on by the door handle and then the wires. So you've got wires for the light down below, and then you've got the wires for your door switches for your, power windows and locks and stuff. So the door handle's pretty easy. It's just got 2 Phillips head screws. So you take that one out. The other one. And those 2 screws are located on the bottom of the handle, and the top just pulls out like that because it was just fit in some slots right there. Now there's the courtesy light on the bottom. On it, there's a little tab on the plug. You press that tab in, and you can work it loose. Right here, this tab. So you push that tab in, and then gently pull the plug out. Like that. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other wires up here. These plugs, they all have little tabs as well. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to depress the little tabs. I'm going to work them out as well. Sometimes these can be tough, so just go ahead and take your time. Oh, that's easy. Once you've got the tab depressed and you know it's loose, it's pretty basic. You just kind of have to go slow and wiggle it loose. There you go, there's the last plug. So there you go, door panel's off. Reinstallation is exactly backwards of how you took it off. Don't forget to plug in your courtesy light and reattach your door handle and your door locks and windows plugs. I hope this helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up.